Welcome to Quebec City, one of North America's most enchanting destinations. This video is brought to you by Bella Access. If you've not subscribed, kindly do so. Please like, share, and click on the notification bell. This truly unique gem isn't just any city. It proudly holds the prestigious title of a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Imagine a place where history whispers from every corner and culture bursts with vibrant energy. Quebec City offers an experience like no other, blending old-world charm with modern excitement. Its rich history tells tales of centuries, breathtaking views around every bend. It's a feast for the eyes no matter the season. Seriously, if you haven't added Quebec City to your travel bucket list, now is the time. It is an absolutely essential destination for anyone seeking beauty, history, and adventure. Stepping onto its cobblestone streets feels like entering a living storybook. The general ambiance here is simply magical, transportive, and utterly captivating. Every path invites you to slow down and soak it all in. Now, prepare to be awestruck by one of Quebec City's most iconic landmarks, the majestic Château Frontenac. Right outside the chateau, you'll find Dufferin Terrace, a fantastic spot to enjoy the city. This leisurely boardwalk stretches beautifully along the river. It's the perfect place for a gentle stroll. This picturesque district is a feast for the senses, full of charm and endless discoveries. It's perfect for exploring on foot. You'll discover an array of inviting art galleries, each showcasing local talent and unique pieces. It's a wonderful place to find something special to take home. The district is also home to a treasure trove of unique boutiques, offering everything from artisan crafts to stylish fashion for finding unique souvenirs and soaking up that authentic local atmosphere. It embodies the spirit of Quebec City beautifully. Just a stone's throw away, you'll find the charming Old Port District, another must-see area. Its streets are perfectly designed for leisurely strolling and discovering hidden gems. Here you can easily spend hours browsing through various art galleries. Each one presents a diverse collection of works from contemporary to traditional styles. It's also an excellent spot to discover unique antique shops, full of fascinating relics and stories from the past. You might just find a timeless treasure. Beyond the charming streets, Quebec City is rich with historical and spiritual sites that tell a deeper story. One such incredible site is the Citadelle de Quebec. This impressive star-shaped fortress is a true architectural marvel. It has played a significant role in the city's defense throughout history. From its strategic position, the Citadel offers absolutely panoramic views of the city. You can see the St. Lawrence River and beyond, stretching out before you. A visit here provides a fascinating glimpse into Quebec City's rich military history. You'll learn about battles, strategies, and the lives of those who protected the city. For a profound spiritual experience, you must visit the Basilica Cathedral Notre-Dame de Quebec. This stunning church is a cornerstone of faith and history. Its breathtaking religious architecture is a masterpiece of design and craftsmanship. Every detail tells a story of devotion and artistry. Stepping inside, you'll feel a sense of peace and awe surrounded by centuries of tradition. It's a truly moving and unforgettable experience for all visitors. While Old Quebec is utterly captivating, the region around Quebec City offers even more incredible experiences. Let's venture beyond the city center to explore its natural wonders. First on our list is the magnificent Montmorency Falls, a breathtaking natural spectacle. These falls are even taller than Niagara Falls, making them a truly impressive sight. For the most spectacular views, take a thrilling gondola ride up to the top. The ascent itself offers incredible vistas, building anticipation for what awaits. From the top, you'll be treated to stunning panoramic views of Ile d'Orléans. The island stretches out beautifully, a green oasis in the St. Lawrence River. You'll also get an unparalleled perspective of the Quebec City skyline in the distance. It's a remarkable fusion of urban beauty and natural grandeur. After admiring the falls from above, follow the scenic path that leads from Manoir Montmorency. This walk is an adventure in itself. The path guides you directly to an exhilarating suspension bridge, stretching right over the falls. Crossing it provides an incredible immersive experience. From the suspension bridge, you get a completely different perspective of the falls, feeling their power and magnitude up close. It's truly an unforgettable moment. If you crave more wilderness exploration, then Jacques Cartier National Park is calling your name. This vast, pristine wilderness is a nature lover's paradise. It's absolutely perfect for anyone looking to go hiking and reconnect with the great outdoors. The trails cater to all levels, from gentle strolls to challenging treks. You can spend hours enjoying the fresh air, stunning landscapes, and diverse wildlife. It's an ideal escape from the bustling city. Beyond nature, the region also boasts significant cultural and family attractions. The Sainte-Anne-de-Beaupré Shrine is a place of profound spiritual importance. This grand basilica is a significant pilgrimage site, drawing visitors from all corners of the world. Its beauty and reverence are truly inspiring. Visiting the shrine offers a deeply moving cultural experience, regardless of your personal beliefs. It's a testament to faith and architectural splendor. For families traveling with children, or simply those who love marine life, the Aquarium du Québec is an absolute delight. It promises hours of educational fun. The aquarium is home to a diverse array of marine life from the local region and beyond. You'll encounter fascinating creatures from both fresh and saltwater environments. It's an enjoyable experience for all ages, offering engaging exhibits and opportunities to learn about aquatic ecosystems. Get ready to be amazed by the underwater world. Quebec City isn't just beautiful, it's also a city that knows how to celebrate no matter the season. Its calendar is packed with vibrant events and activities. Let's talk about winter, a time when the city truly comes alive with magic. The Quebec Winter Carnival is an absolute must-experience celebration. This vibrant festival is one of the largest winter carnivals in the world, filled with joy and excitement. It transforms the city into a snowy wonderland. You'll be amazed by the intricate and stunning ice sculptures that adorn the city streets. They are true works of art, carved with incredible detail. The carnival also features lively parades that light up the cold nights with music and cheering crowds. It's a spectacular display of creativity. Beyond the parades, there are countless festive activities for everyone to enjoy. From ice canoeing to outdoor concerts, the fun never stops. For sports enthusiasts, Quebec City also plays host to a renowned youth hockey event, the International Pee Wee Hockey Tournament. It's a big deal. This tournament showcases the incredible talent of young hockey players from around the globe. The energy in the arena is absolutely electric. It's a fantastic event that truly appeals to sports enthusiasts and families alike. Watching these future stars compete is a thrilling experience. Well, adventurers, as you can see, Quebec City truly offers an incredibly diverse range of experiences. Every visit here feels like stepping into a living storybook, where each street corner holds a new chapter. The sheer amount of life and history packed into this area is simply astonishing. Prepare to be enchanted by its enduring allure. Throughout Quebec City, the presence of tourists is immediately apparent. adding to the delightful tapestry of street life. Everywhere you look, people are equipped with cameras, eager to capture the city's architectural beauty. From grand facades to intricate ironwork, every detail is a masterpiece waiting to be photographed. These captured moments become cherished memories of a truly special place. Frontenac draws numerous visitors to its base and beyond. People gather to admire its architecture, learn its stories, and simply bask in its magnificent aura. It truly is a magnet for those seeking beauty and history. Its stunning silhouette provides an unforgettable backdrop for countless photographs and personal reflections. The chateau embodies the romance and elegance that define so much of Quebec City. It's an absolute must-see for everyone. The city's allure is undeniable, with tourists happily losing themselves in its charming labyrinth of streets. Every alleyway promises a new revelation, making exploration a continuous delight. This welcoming atmosphere encourages everyone to wander freely. The collective energy of these visitors creates an ever-present hum of excitement. It's a place where shared experiences truly come to life. Step into Old Quebec, and you'll immediately be enchanted by its narrow, winding streets. These charming pathways twist and turn, inviting you to slow down and savor each unique discovery. They create an intimate atmosphere, perfect for exploration. These picturesque streets are beautifully lined with diverse boutiques, each offering a treasure trove of unique finds. From handmade crafts to trendy fashion, there's something to capture every interest. Shopping here is a delightful journey of discovery. As you wander further, you'll find the streets featuring various art galleries showcasing local and international talent. These spaces invite you to pause and appreciate the vibrant artistic spirit of the city. Creativity truly flourishes on these ancient lanes. And of course, these captivating streets host numerous restaurants, each promising a delightful culinary experience. From cozy cafes to elegant dining, the gastronomic scene is rich and inviting. The aroma of delicious food fills the air, beckoning you closer. The streets are alive with the sounds of chatter, a harmonious symphony in multiple languages. French, English, and countless other tongues blend together, creating a truly global ambiance. It's a vibrant testament to the city's international appeal. This nostalgic sound transports you back in time, adding a romantic charm to your stroll. It's a timeless echo of Quebec City's past. The cobblestones themselves seem to whisper stories of old, providing a unique auditory experience underfoot. Every sensation here contributes to the rich, immersive atmosphere. It's a feast for all your senses, a place where history truly resonates. The air is often filled with the distant sounds of street musicians, their melodies adding another layer to the enchanting soundscape. The rustle of leaves in the city's many squares adds to the overall tranquility and charm. This blend of natural and human sounds creates a truly unique and memorable auditory experience. Quebec City is a place to be heard and felt. Quebec City's streets are made even more special by the common and visible sight of families enjoying their adventures. Their cheerful presence adds an undeniable sense of warmth and vitality to the entire scene. It's a place where generational memories are made. The laughter and wonder of children truly infuse the city with a heartwarming energy. You'll frequently see parents gently pushing strollers along the spacious sidewalks, their little ones taking in the sights. These tender moments highlight the city's accessibility and welcoming nature for even its youngest visitors. Every age group finds comfort here. Watch as children point in pure wonder at the captivating street performers who animate various squares and corners. These impromptu shows are a highlight for many families. The echoes of children's laughter often ring through the historic squares, turning ancient spaces into playgrounds of joy. Their happy sounds blend beautifully with the city's other melodies. It's a truly delightful soundtrack to your visit. Quebec City proudly offers a wealth of family-friendly attractions, ensuring there's never a dull moment for anyone. From interactive museums to exciting outdoor activities, every day is an opportunity for new adventures. Planning a family itinerary is incredibly easy here. The expansive Plains of Abraham provide the perfect setting for leisurely picnics and joyful strolls. History feels vibrant and accessible here. These family experiences enrich the city's atmosphere, making it feel even more welcoming and inclusive. The presence of families underscores Quebec City's reputation as a truly special destination for everyone. It's a place where family bonds are strengthened. From shared ice cream cones to collective gasps of awe at historic architecture, families create lasting memories. These moments become cherished stories that are retold for years to come. Quebec City embraces and celebrates the family spirit. The atmosphere in Quebec City is wonderfully characterized by an overriding sense of exploration and discovery. Every corner, every street, and every building holds a new secret waiting to be unveiled. It's a city that constantly rewards curiosity. Tourists are undeniably drawn by the city's distinct European ambiance, which provides a captivating escape. The charm of its architecture and the unique cultural blend transport visitors to another world. It's like a slice of Europe in North America. Imagine yourself wandering aimlessly through charming streets, simply soaking in the incredibly rich atmosphere. Each step is a delight, each vista a postcard-perfect scene. This leisurely pace allows for true appreciation of your surrounding European ambiance, which provides a captivating escape. The charm of its architecture and the unique cultural blend transport visitors to another world. It's like a slice of Europe in North America. Imagine yourself wandering aimlessly through charming streets, simply soaking in the incredibly rich atmosphere. Each step is a delight, each vista a postcard-perfect scene. These boutiques offer everything from local artistry to delicious regional delicacies. It's a fantastic way to take a piece of Quebec City home with you. The city's atmosphere encourages a sense of joyful wonder, making every moment feel special. Whether you're a first-time visitor or returning for more, the magic never fades. There's always something new to experience and appreciate. This welcoming environment ensures that every tourist feels not just like a visitor, but an invited guest. The warmth of the people and the beauty of the surroundings combine to create a truly unforgettable experience. The city adapts to your mood. The air itself seems to carry the scent of freshly baked pastries and distant coffee, adding another layer to the sensory experience. These delightful aromas are just another part of Quebec City's charm. Your senses will be continuously engaged. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.